Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Canva account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click your profile name at the top right, and then you want to go down to Settings, and then click Login and Security on the left side of your screen. And here next to password, you can click Update. And here you can type in your new password and click Confirm Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access Canva from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected any of the accounts on your screen now, you can try logging in via those connected accounts as well and change your password. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. If you haven't set your password yet, then you will be asked to set a new password, and after that you won't need to change your password. To reset your password, you want to go over to Canva's homepage and you want to click Login at the top right. Then you want to continue with email and type in your email and click Continue. And here you can choose to either log in with the code instead and Canva will send a code to your email, or you can click here Forgot Password and then click Continue. Your email should already have been pre-filled. And then you want to check your email for a message from Canva. So here's the email and it should come from noreply@account.canva.com. And you can copy the code here and paste it into the login page. And here you can type in your new password and confirm it and click Set Password. If you logged in via the code method, you can change your password after you get back into your account. And if you can't find your account information, then you will need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to Canva's support site. It's on your screen now and it will also be in the description as well. And you're going to need a Canva account for this, so you will need to go and create a new one or use someone else's account. So after you log in, it's going to ask you to select a category. You want to select Account Settings, and then under Issue you want to select I can't log into my Canva account, and it'll generate some help, but since you want to contact support, you can just skip this and click I still need help. And here under Describe the issue, you can use the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation. And then you can go ahead and upload some images and designs and whatnot if you need to. And then you can click Submit and wait for a response from Canva support. Here are some tips on securing your Canva account. Secure your email. Verify that the email and or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to Settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.